Everyone wants to look good in their clothes, but not everyone enjoys doing their own laundry or doesn't have the time. Therefore, beginning a laundromat business is a smart choice for budding entrepreneurs. Starting a home laundromat can be done without depleting your savings too much. In this industry, there is also no lack of clients. Here we will discuss 9 best steps to start a laundry business. Let's get started. Number 1 is understand the market. Success in a firm, like any other business, is primarily dependent on the local market's demand. Doing market research and comprehending the trends and demand of the nearby market are a must. You can explore the gaps and improve your business planning with the help of the information gathered. At number 2 is ways to start a laundromat business. In general, there are 4 ways to launch a laundry business. First off, you have the option of starting a full-fledged commercial laundry business. This kind of business requires a substantial investment to get started. Second, a laundry business can be launched from home if you have a little budget. Selecting the appropriate target market is essential to operating a profitable home laundry. Thirdly, purchasing a franchise of a well-known laundromat company brand is another method to get started. By purchasing a franchise, you can avoid the inconveniences of beginning from scratch and enjoy the advantages of the company's brand value. Fourth, start as a coworker if you have little money but still want to work in the laundromat industry. In this situation, you must arrange for your car to pick up and deliver the laundry after it has been washed and dried. You receive consistent employment and payment. Therefore, advertising for your laundromat business is free and hassle-free. In this scenario, you might need to pay a minor beginning cost. Number 3 is create a business plan. It is now time to construct a business plan for your laundromat venture after completing the business model. Costs, target market, finances, marketing strategies, and an operational strategy should all be written out in great detail. The following are some of the fundamental subjects that must be covered: startup and recurring costs, service offerings, target customers, pricing plan. How do you plan to promote your laundry services? At number 4 is name your laundromat business. It's crucial to come up with a memorable name for your laundromat business. Customers will be more able to relate to your laundromat business if it has a catchy name. Give your laundromat business a memorable and fitting name. It is the name that individuals recall and connect with the service you offer. Additionally, since having a website is a must, having a meaningful domain name is vital. At number 5 is set up for a laundromat business. You can establish a laundromat business for less money if you have room in your home and a washer and dryer. This is because you are not buying equipment or paying rent. To ensure that many people can find you, you must make sure that your location is close to dorms or hostels or both. They can easily drop off their laundry at your house and pick it up whenever it's convenient for them. Your garage may make a good location for your at-home laundromat operation if you have one. That will increase the visibility of your laundromat. You can expand your business with the assistance of your local contacts. At number 6 is list of equipment you will need to start a laundry business. A certain amount of equipment is necessary to launch a washing business. All the tools and supplies required to run a laundromat must be listed. Here is a list of some of the essential gear: washers, dryers, pressing machines, steamers, boilers. At number 7 is promote your laundromat business. If you choose to operate your business from home, start a full marketing campaign for your service. If you can, visit each door personally to introduce yourself and the services you offer. Locate a place where there are many students or people with ordinary earnings who could use your laundromat service. Promoting your laundromat business on social media is a good idea. Spread the word about your business by using your Facebook and Instagram sites. A website must first be made if you want to go online. Do your best to extend some more benefits to your clients. A pickup and delivery service for laundry is something you could offer. This will help you save time and hassle. At number 8 is calculate the cost of starting a laundry business. Starting at home won't cost a lot of money. You only require some simple tools to serve your neighborhood customers. However, starting a laundromat business from scratch will demand a substantial financial investment. You need an initial investment of between $100,000 and $250,000 for a modest laundry operation. However, a large initial investment is required to launch a full-fledged commercial laundry service. At least 65% of your overall income must go toward operating the laundromat. This includes the cost of power and water as well as the upkeep of the equipment and the cost of detergents, etc. You can also offer the laundry washing and folding service. Offer your clients home refreshments if you have the space. Establish a modest coffee and snack stand so that customers can relax while their laundry is being done. Make arrangements for payments using debit and credit cards. Customers will benefit much from this and find it quite convenient. Be extremely kind and amiable to the customers. Since the laundromat industry involves providing a personal service, being polite will increase your customer base. Pay close care to keeping your laundry dry and immaculate. Clean the tables, sweep the floors, and maintain a sanitary environment. Maintain a supply of quality detergents and post-wash care products. This will boost your earnings while also enhancing your reputation. At number 9 is how much can you earn from laundry business. The money you make running a laundromat varies depending on where you are. In large cities, it is higher, and in smaller ones, it is lesser. However, you can generally charge your customer $3 for each load of washing. Your laundromat's typical profit margin could range from 20 to 30%. There are additional instances of loss. However, you can make a good profit if you handle the upkeep and marketing on your own. However, it appears that the laundromat industry is a promising future. The global revenue for home and laundry care, which was $81 billion in 2018, is predicted to reach $88 billion by 2023, according to Statista. Additionally, according to Statista, the laundry care industry is anticipated to expand by 1.5% annually. Therefore, if you can start from home and receive funding, you should be able to make a significant profit from your laundromat business. Your reputation must improve. If you take the time to cultivate positive relationships, your laundry business will flourish.